Welcome back to Bowtie Chats. We're here on Rockville Campus at the Godelsky Institute. Today we're going to learn more about our automotive technology program with one of our fantastic professors, Professor Jimenez. We're going to drop the bow tie, we're going to pick up a box wrench, we're going to change some oil. So let's get it. Thank you again, Professor, for inviting me. Please share a little bit about Montgomery College Automotive Technology Program.
Our program offers a wide range of opportunities for our students. So we have on-car and in-classroom learning experience that they're able to attain. It allows you to tailor your education. If you want specific job training only, you can get your certificate to be able to go straight out into the field, or you can seek for your degree and go ahead and take your general education classes as well.
Oh, that sounds awesome. I know we are going to change oil, so besides this clearance situation, what do I need to know about changing oil?
Well, safety first. So we already have our goggles on, and when you get some gloves on, and we can get work.
All right, well, great. Let's put on our gloves and get to it. All right, here we are. So I understand that you teach in both English and Spanish. How does that impact opportunity and access?
Well, I think it opens the doors for a larger community to be able to come in and be able to learn their trade so that they can then go out into the workforce and build a brighter future for their families.
That's great. And that's also obviously aligned with, with our mission here at Montgomery College, to serve all students, right? When I think about the future and we think about, electric vehicles, talk to me a little bit about what's happening in the automotive technology around preparing individuals to service electric vehicles.
Yeah, so hybrid and EV are becoming super popular. So we have our certificate program for electrical training. That way you can go out straight into the field and start your work in that field.
Great. So we're preparing students for, the today and tomorrow.
Yeah.
And beyond. So that's fantastic. Now I think we have to finish this oil change.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna need some help.
Yes,
All
I
right.
got you.
Thank you.
Yep.
Thank you. Fantastic. With your help, I think I've taken my first step to being a master tech. What do you?
Yeah, for sure.
Well, with your help, thank you again for inviting me. Thank you again for sharing so much about Montgomery College's Automotive Technology Program. And thank you all for joining us for another episode of Bowtie Chats. If you want to learn more about Montgomery College's Automotive Technology Program, then check us out online. All right, until next time, see you soon.